What's going on, squad? Today we are covering the push press, an exercise that I've mentioned in a couple videos recently. It is a squat and a shoulder press in one. It's all about total body, and it's a great anterior chain exercise. Let's get into this. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is make sure that the chain link is at the right chain link. So normally when I do the shoulder press, I'm at around chain link 40. So for the push press, I'm on chain link 35, 5 under. Why? Because if I'm on a chain link of 40 and I'm doing the shoulder press here, if I'm in a minor squat position here, then I need to be a little lower. So what I'm gonna do is gonna get in position for shoulder press. I'm now gonna get into a minor squat. So my feet are near the edge of the base plate, coming down below like this, right? So it's not a deep squat, just a slight squat. Chin is up. We're gonna push up on the bar. 3, 2, 1, and push. Woo. Now, for form, it's easy to lock your arms in place and just rev into your quads and have the quads do most of the work for you. You can't do that with the push press. It's on you to make sure that that mind-muscle connection is there, so that when you're in position and you're pushing with the quadriceps, you're also pushing with your shoulders as well. You have to do both, guys. And vice versa, if you're just pushing with your shoulders and your legs are just kind of along for the ride, you're only gonna get half of the exercise, and that's not the point. And for either of those, just do the squat or just do the shoulder press. But here, we're doing both. I'm gonna give you guys an angle from the side. Chin is up. Squatting down. Okay. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And when you do that right, you feel it in your shoulders and your quads, which I do right now. The number on this push press should be more than your shoulder press. Why? Because you have two major muscle groups going into the push instead of just one. If my legs are not involved and it's just my shoulders and my arms, well then of course the number is going to be lower. It's only one muscle group. Well, technically it's two. It's the shoulder musculature and the triceps, and that's required for a shoulder press. But when you have this, you have even more going into it. The quadriceps, a little bit of the hamstrings and the glutes. More muscle groups, more power. Why would you want to do this exercise? Well, number one, it's for the basketball player videos that have been coming out recently for March Madness. So that might date this video in the future. Also, if you're working on your kinetic chain, this is probably the biggest one, because we want to work on our body being able to move as one cohesive unit. Our body is quite the intricate system, and we lower the chain link with the push press. Yes. Here, I'll show you right now. Lower it down to 30, and when I lower it to 30, you're gonna notice a much deeper squat. Personally, I'd recommend going 5 below your standing shoulder press chain link to start, and then work your way down. Why? Because you wanna get used to this first. The higher the chain link, the easier it is to incorporate both muscle groups. Okay, I am way lower this time, so I'm gonna show you guys from like a side perspective here. I'm way lower. Yeah, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Man, it's good. All right, guys, but that is the push press. Major muscles work: the quadriceps, all 3 heads of the delt, and the triceps. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you liked the video, be sure to drop a like. Go ahead and comment. If you want to help a brother out a little bit more, check out the Patreon link in the description. If you're not yet part of the squad, hit that subscribe button, come join the squad with us. See you next video. Peace.